to coach and Mohit, and then we close down the session. Any messages for the fans because we are really excited for the quarterfinals and every match now onwards is very very important. So any message from the fans?
Look, our fans really very important for us. For example, last season we started to play without supporters in Kolkata League in Durand Cup, but after from quarter final they allowed to come supporters on the game, and we played against Gokulama. And this time we had difficult situation because we lost 3 games directly. And when supporters come to this game, our players were so happy and they start to play very well. And we beat Gokulam 1-0. Next game, also hard game against Bengaluru United, and come more supporters, and we show them nice football. We won 4-2. It was really amazing time, very nice stadium, too much supporters, and in final it was the same situation. Okay, we lost against FC Goa, but in extra time, and they support us very well. We won with them when they come to Kolkata final. This is also important for us. It was very difficult game, but they support us. Really, our supporters are amazing. They are best supporters in India. They support us in I-League. It's also very nice. We need them because without supporters we can play, but we cannot play so nice football, so good without them. We need them, and we also only want to tell them thank you very much for how they support us, and please come tomorrow and support us again. Jan Mohammedan.